So continue our next point, that is non-renal clearance. So what is the clearance of the drug by what is non-clearance renal clearance? That is the drug will be removed from the volume of the plasma by other route. So which is called or other route, that is other than renal route, which is called as the non-renal clearance of the drug. So in the first route, that is non-renal clearance, that is hepatic clearance. So first clearance is the hepatic clearance. So this hepatic clearance is the volume of the drug which are containing into the plasma, which is cleared by the liver. So hepatic means liver. So the hepatic clearance is the volume of the drug containing plasma. It is cleared by liver per unit time, called hepatic clearance. So definition of this clearance is simply the volume of drug into the plasma which is cleared by the liver in unit time, which is called as the hepatic clearance. So these hepatic clearance are usually made indirectly from the total body clearance and the renal body clearance, or from hepatic extraction ratio. So this hepatic clearance, which is measured by the either indirectly from total body clearance and the renal clearance, or from hepatic extraction ratio. There is a formula, or there is the equation for this hepatic clearance. So hepatic clearance, that is CLH, is equal to CLT minus CLR. So CLH is a hepatic clearance, CLT means total body clearance, and CLR means renal clearance. So CLH, that is CL means clearance, CLH means hepatic clearance, CLT means total body clearance, and CLR means renal clearance. And this hepatic clearance, which is also expressed as a CLH, that is CLH, hepatic clearance, which is rate of the drug which is removed by the liver, rate of the drug which is removed by the liver divided by the plasma concentration, that is CP. So the rate of drug which is removed by the liver, which is equal to multiply this. So this interchange formula, which is equal to rate of drug which is removed from the liver, which is equal to Cp into CLH. So the unbound from plasma protein, unbound drug from plasma protein, or only free drug can cross the cell membrane easily. So only unbound drug to the plasma or free drug can cross this cell membrane of liver. If the free drug is more in the blood, which indicates that more amount of drug will be available for hepatic extraction. So from this, if the free drug is more in the blood, which indicates that more drug will be available for this hepatic extraction. So percentage of the protein binding of the drug, which also important for factors which are need to consider for hepatic clearance. So there is a important how much of the drug will be bind. So how much of percent of the drug will be bind to the protein, which is very important for this hepatic clearance. If the free drug, so this free drug or unbound drug which easily cross this cell membrane, either more will be the free drug will be available in the blood, so there's more drug will be available for the hepatic, which will be indicated that more drug will be available for the hepatic extraction. Next point, that is hepatic extraction ratio. So what is hepatic extraction ratio? So hepatic extraction ratio is a difference between the fraction of the drug in the plasma which is removed by the liver. So what is hepatic extraction ratio? That is the fraction of the drug, difference in the fraction of the drug in the plasma which is removed by the liver, and the concentration of the drug in the plasma which enter into the liver. So first will be, that is, it is a ratio. Hepatic extraction ratio is the difference between fraction of the drug in the plasma which is removed by the liver. First, the fraction of the drug will be removed by the liver, and second, important, that is difference concentration of the drug into the plasma. So this hepatic extraction ratio, which is denoted, that is ER, which is equal to Ca minus Cv divided by Cv, where Ca will be the drug concentration of the blood entering into the liver. So drug concentration of the drug in the blood which enter into the liver, and Cv will be the drug concentration of blood existing from the liver. So Ca will be the how much quantity of the drug or drug will be enter how much quantity of drug concentration into the blood which are enter into the liver, and Cv means how much quantity of the drug concentration into the blood which is existing from the liver. Next, their conditions or this hepatic ratio, this hepatic extraction ratio, which is ranges from the value of this hepatic ratio, extraction ratio, which is ranges from this from 0 to 1. So each number which indicates certain condition, each number which indicates certain condition. So first, if this hepatic extraction ratio is 0, which indicates that no drug which is removed. So the value of this hepatic extraction ratio is 0. So there will be no drug will be removed. If the value is 1, which indicates that drug is completely removed. समजा जर व्हॅल्यू 0 असेल तर ड्रग त्याच्या बॉडी त्या याच्यामधून रिमूव्ह झालेला नाही. जर व्हॅल्यू 1 असेल तर तो ड्रग कम्प्लिटली रिमूव्ह होतो. The hepatic extraction ratio is higher than 0.7. If the hepatic extraction ratio is higher than 0.7, समजा जर 0.7 पेक्षा जास्त आहे, which shows there will be the higher extraction ratio. So we suggest that there will be the higher hepatic clearance. If the less than 0.3, which lowers the hepatic extraction ratio, if this is the value suggests that if this value is 0.7, which indicates that higher extraction ratio. If the value will be the in between 0.3 or less than 0.3, which indicates that lower hepatic extraction ratio. If the value in between 0.3 to 0.7, which shows that there is an intermediate hepatic extraction ratio. जर 0.7 पेक्षा जास्त असेल तर it will be the higher extraction ratio. 0.3 पेक्षा कमी असेल it will be the lower the hepatic extraction ratio. In between 0.3 to 7 असेल तर intermediate hepatic extraction ratio. The next will be the hepatic blood flow, which is very important for this hepatic clearance. So a rate of blood flow which towards the liver is the average, that is 1.5 liter per minute. So hepatic clearance in the renal clearance, which is effect on, or this hepatic urinary blood flow, which is also important for the renal clearance. So in this hepatic clearance, this hepatic blood flow, which is very important. So the rate of blood flow towards the liver, that is 1.5 liters per minute. So if there is increase the blood flow towards the liver, which indicates the maximum drug will be existing from the liver. समजा जर blood flow जर जास्त असेल लिव्हरला, जर जास्त असेल, which can indicate maximum drug त्या liver मधून exist होते. If the blood flow which is decreases, if the समजा जर blood flow कमी असेल, it will be indicates that there is a decreasing rate of the drug which is existing from the liver. समजा जर the blood flow कमी असेल तेवढाच काय होणार आहे, ड्रग पण त्या लिव्हर मधून एक्झिस्ट कमी होतो, त्याचा रेट कमी असतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, ड्रग विथ हेपॅटिक एक्सट्रॅक्शन रेशो इज ग्रेटर दॅन 0.5. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, प्रोप्रेनोलॉल, वेरापामिन और लिडोकेन, ज्या ड्रगचा हेपॅटिक एक्सट्रॅक्शन रेशो विच इज ग्रेटर दॅन 0.5 असेल. मोस्ट एक्झाम्पल काय त्याचं, प्रोप्रेनोलॉल, वेरापामिन और लिडोकेन. नेक्स्ट, द ड्रग विच हॅज hepatic extraction ratio is less than 0.5. The drug which hepatic ratio is less than 0.5. For example, acetaminophen, that is paracetamol, diazepam, and the theophylline. So these are the drugs which are existing, or these are which are depend upon their clearance will be depend on this hepatic extraction ratio. Next point, that is organ clearance. So what is organ clearance? So clearance, we know the volume of the drug into the plasma, it will be completely removed per unit time from any organ, which is called as the clearance. So what is organ clearance? The organ clearance means that fraction of the blood volume containing drug, which flows through the organ and which can be eliminated from any organ, which is based upon this blood flow. So आपल्याला माहिती आहे फॉर इम्पॉर्टंट एखादा ड्रग किंवा रिमूव्ह होण्यासाठी इम्पॉर्टंट काय, द ब्लड फ्लो टू द दिस दॅट ऑफ द ऑर्गन. एखादा ड्रग ऍब्सॉर्प्शन पण डिपेंड आहे, डिस्ट्रीब्युशन पण डिपेंड आहे. एखादा क्लिअरन्स, रिनर क्लिअरन्स किंवा कुठलेही क्लिअरन्स किंवा बॉडीमधून क्लिअरन्स करताना इम्पॉर्टंट काय, ब्लड फ्लो किंवा ब्लड फ्लो किती आहे त्या पर्टिक्युलर ऑर्गनला, विच इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. सो द ऑर्गन क्लिअरन्स, दॅट इज फॉर्म्युला, which is equal to Q is equal to ER. So we know Q is that is blood flow to the particular blood flow of the drug, to the drug, and second will be the ER, that is extraction ratio. So organ clearance, which is denoted by the formula, that is Q is equal to organ clearance is equal to Q into ER. Q will be the blood flow to the particular organ, and which is multiplied by this extraction ratio. So this is the organ clearance. So particular drug will be removed from the blood, or particular organ, which is called as the organ clearance. Next will be the intrinsic clearance. Next point, that is intrinsic clearance. So the drug which is cleared from the liver without depending upon the blood flow due to the inherent ability of the biotransformation of enzyme like hepatic mixed function oxidized system or biliary secretion or through the glucose metabolism. आपल्याला माहिती आहे एखादा हेपॅटिक किंवा लिव्हर मधून किंवा एलिमिनेटेड ड्रग एलिमिनेट व्हायला, विच इज इम्पॉर्टंट, दॅट इज ब्लड फ्लो. बट some drug will be eliminated, or some drug will be cleared through this liver by which is not depend upon blood flow to this liver. It will be depend upon this intrinsic inherent ability, that is biotransformation of the drug from by enzymes like hepatic mixed function oxidized system or biliary secretion or through the glucose metabolism. So it biotransform the drug and it will be enter into the liver. So most of this drug will be cleared from the liver without depending upon the blood flow due to this inherent ability of the biotransformation of enzymes like hepatic mixed function oxidized system or this biliary secretion or through the glucose metabolism. So these types of inherent ability, it biotransforms the drug and it will be entry into the liver. So for example, valproate or phenytoin, which clearance is not only depend upon blood flow towards the liver, and it will be depend upon clearance from the liver. So this valproate or phenytoin clearance is not only depend upon this blood flow, and it will be depend upon this intrinsic clearance. So this is some part. So the drug clearance which is depend upon this intrinsic clearance. So next part of this non-clearance will be studied in the next lecture.